In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default currency in HubSpot CRM. First, head to the HubSpot login page and sign into your account. If your company uses Google for authentication, choose Sign In with Google, then select your Google account to continue. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to your HubSpot portal. Quick tip, you'll need the right permissions, typically super admin or billing level access, to change company currency. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, check with your admin. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile avatar. From the menu that opens, select Profile and Preferences. This takes you to your personal and account settings area, where you can adjust things that apply across your portal. In the left sidebar, click Account Defaults. Here you'll find company-wide settings that influence how data is displayed and standardized. Next, open the Currency section. This is where HubSpot manages your company currency and any additional currencies you might be using. On the Currency page, click the Actions dropdown. From there, choose Edit Company Currency. This is the control that defines your default currency across deals, quotes, and reports that use company currency. HubSpot will warn you that this change can impact how amounts are shown and summarized, especially in reporting. A dropdown will appear with all available currencies. Select the currency you want to use as your default. For example, you can choose Euro, EUR. Take a moment to confirm you're picking the currency and symbol that match your organization's financial reporting. If your portal uses multiple currencies, remember that your default currency is the baseline for company-wide summaries, while individual records can still be set to other currencies. After selecting the currency, click Continue. HubSpot may display a confirmation message to make sure you understand the impact. This change does not retroactively convert amounts you've already entered. Those values remain in the currency assigned to each record. However, totals shown in company currency and related reports will use this new default. Finally, click Save to apply the update. You should see your chosen currency reflected as the company currency. At this point, it's a good practice to review any dashboards or reports that aggregate by company currency and let your team know about the change so everyone is aligned. If you work with multiple regions, also review your added currencies and exchange rates to ensure consistency. And that's it. You've successfully updated the default currency in HubSpot, ensuring your CRM aligns with your organization's financial standards.